What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. What is the height of the blue object? Now, notice what you're given is you're given this height, which is basically from the top of the green object down to the top of the red object. Then you're also given this height or this distance from the top of the red object on top of the blue object down to the top of the green object. Quick shout out to Mind Your Decisions, which did a similar problem. I simply adapted this to a version that I like, that I feel like is easier to look at and analyze. So without further ado, hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So the way that I want to approach this problem is to use a system of equations. So how can we use a system of equations? I'm going to designate the red object as X. I'm going to designate the blue object as Y and the green object as Z. Now we can make two really cool equations. So the first equation is going to be Y plus Z. That's going to give us this full height up here. And then we are getting this full height, but then we're taking away this red object or the X to get that 80. So Y plus Z minus X is going to equal 80. Right here, we can get a second equation. Now we've got Y plus X minus Z gives us 60. So there we go, Y plus X minus Z equals 60. Now with the system of equations, what we can do with a lot of system of equations is combine them. But the problem is, usually when we have three variables, we need three equations. But the beauty of these two systems, even though there are three variables, is if we combine them, actually two of the variables are going to naturally cancel out. And they're going to be the two variables that we don't care about, which is X and Z. So check this out. If I add the two Y's together, I'm going to get 2Y. If I add this X, which is really a negative X, because remember that minus sign sticks to the variable, it's a negative X plus a positive X, they just cancel out. And then I've got a positive Z plus a negative Z, and they're going to cancel out as well. So we simply have 2Y equals, and then we're going to add the right sides together as well. 80 plus 60 is 140. Last but not least, we're going to divide both sides by 2 like so, and we end up with Y equals 70. So the height of the blue object is 70 feet. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.